In this video, I'm going to show you how to grab some free items on Roblox. It's super easy. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cool tips. Getting free items is a great way to deck out your Roblox avatar without spending any real money. It makes the game way more fun since you can personalize your character however you like. Alright, let's get started. First, head to the Roblox homepage on your computer or laptop. Once you're there, look at the top panel and click on the Marketplace tab. This will take you to the Roblox Marketplace, where you can check out all kinds of items. In the Marketplace, you'll see a ton of items. You can also click on All Items from the left panel. Some items are free, and some cost money. To get free items, there's an easy way to filter them out. On the left side, you'll see a filter panel. Scroll down and find the Price tab. Instead of picking a price range, click Manual and set it to 0. Then, hit the Go button and voila! All the free items will pop up. Add as many as you want to your cart. When you're done, click on the cart icon in the top right corner, right below the gear icon. It'll show everything you've selected. To finish up, just click Buy, and you're all set with your new free items. To check them, just click on the Inventory option on the left pane on your Roblox homepage. In the Inventory tab, you can see all your accessories and items. That's it. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.